Hello and welcome to another update on XRP. Yeah, we are still moving sideways, pretty much still all corrective patterns, which currently aligns well with the preferred interpretation that we are still dealing with an overall correction. And I'm talking about a correction which started here on the 12th of May. I mean, it could be that we're still in the correction that started in January, to be honest, in this wave 4 correction. But currently, the thesis is, the working assumption is that on the 7th of April, a low formed in this wave 4 correction. I sometimes show the larger time frame, and we talk about those patterns there, the larger time frame patterns. So the context should be clear. If you haven't seen that, watched it, then stay tuned, subscribe, and then in one of the future updates, we will also talk about the larger time frame, the bigger picture. As a silver or gold member, you also get access to our Tradingview live charts, in which you get over 100 altcoin charts, by the way, that you can follow live. But yeah, we have this 5-wave move up here, which indicates that wave 4, it's a corrective pullback, this wave 4, that it actually bottomed, and we're now in a larger degree 5th wave, which might take us in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into the $5 region. At the moment, this is seen as a corrective pullback in this uptrend, and the support area is between $1.79 and $2.07. So this is a standard support area we are tracking. It would be important that we're holding that $1.79 level, and from there we can watch overall for higher prices. Now, in the short term, then if we zoom in further, take a look at all that with a specific perspective. Yeah, we take a very detailed look at the microstructures. It becomes still clear that we are most likely in a correction. Now, the yellow scenario here on the micro level indicates that the correction that started on the 12th of May is already done, finished, and we're already in the next rally to the upside. However, what I see here does not look like that at all. Okay, not at all. Rather, it looks like we are still caught in a correction, maybe even a triangle pattern. So yellow is not preferred for various reasons that are discussed over the last few days. No, I prefer another dip into the support area that is also very much in line with what the Bitcoin price is doing. So lower expected, and ideally we're holding $1.79 in the process, which is you could say, the ultimate support that we normally observe in such a wave 2 correction. We have an A wave down. We see this as a wave B consolidation, A, B, C, D, E, and could then see a C wave to the downside, and we have this A, B, C structure. And the C wave to the downside should take us into the region between $1.95 and $1.79. So this would be ideal. Yeah, it depends a little bit on how this B wave unfolds. B waves can turn into all sorts of patterns, but at the moment I see it as a triangle, yeah, which should form lower highs and higher lows. So really all we need is maybe another corrective rally in wave E that should stay below the previous highs. And then if we get a break below, yeah, $2.08, $2.09, maybe even $2.06 for better evidence, the Thursday, 5th of June low, it should really take us down lower. Triangle itself will be invalidated with a break above $2.34. But then that doesn't rule out a B wave. It might just mean that the B wave is morphing into a more complex pattern. What I don't have is clear evidence that we have a substantial low. That would require a full 5-wave move up as shown in yellow. Until I see that, I am rather looking for lower still in the short term, but with a bullish perspective overall. That's the update on XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.